this is handles are as difficult to make as pots. And it takes a long time to be able to do a really good handle. I pride myself on mine. I've grown not to like spend handles, for instance. Make some food. They're going to be really comfortable.
Is that about 3 inches that you're taking off?
Huh?
That was about 3 inches.
Yeah, but I don't. I usually make it a little bigger than I need to. Usually, my boards will hold 30 bucks, and then I'll make sure I usually pull 2 or 3 studs to start with, just so that I know that I've got the right size for the pot, and then try a couple, and then I got one model to either make the same size or bigger or smaller. So, I'll score the rim and get some slurry. And nip the end of that off. And I splay it out like over a trumpet. Okay. Stick it on the pot, and that little splaying out allows me a little rim to smooth to fix the handle properly. And then I usually hold the mug kind of horizontal. Okay. And then I start by flattening the base. I work progressively upwards. I think of the handle as being kind of lozenge shaped. Sort of an oval, flattened oval.
You need a. So we can hand that to you, or we can have it in the mirror. Oh. Can we see it in the mirror?
I'll work the top, bottom, sides. This one's got a little thin at the top. And then I drape it down and then begin to stick it up from the bottom. I learned from Cardio that he had an aversion to pull this little piece down. This is slightly lighter. It's a bigger handle. It flies away quite far. You don't need it. See how much gap there is between my knuckles and you don't need that much. And the little decorative flourish that I learned from some of the traditional potters, particularly Salt Lake, North Carolina, is you just do a little like figure in the. And I find these really fascinating. You can go and look and see this one part of the Ackland Museum, Chapel Hill University Museum, that it's got made by one of the Craven families. It's a big crop. And you can see that he hadn't cut his fingernails. And that's a little detail that I think is really charming. And I don't know if this will work, but I dabbed a little extra water in there,